So many dreams never come true, not because people lack talent, not because they are unlucky, and not because they don't dream big. Most dreams disappear because people spend years waiting to feel ready. But here's the truth. Ready is a feeling that never arrives on its own. This is the story of Daniel, a man who almost lost his dream, not because he failed, but because he never believed he was ready to begin. A man named Daniel lived in a small apartment in a busy city. He had a job, he had a routine, and he had a goal. Daniel dreamed of becoming a photographer. He loved capturing moments. He saw beauty in ordinary things. But he never showed his photos to anyone. Every morning, Daniel scrolled through social media. He saw other photographers. They had thousands of followers. They traveled to amazing places. They were successful. He opened his collection of photographs and looked through them. He knew they were good. But he told himself, I am not ready. They are better than me. At work, Daniel was invisible. He did his job. He went home. He never took risks. He never spoke up. He was afraid of being wrong. His co-worker, Lisa, was different. She made mistakes. She asked questions. She tried new things. And she was getting promoted. Daniel watched Lisa and felt jealous. He thought, she is lucky, she must be special. She must have something I do not have. He told himself, I need to wait. I need to be perfect. I need to learn more. Then I will start. But the waiting never ended. Months became years. Daniel's camera sat in a drawer. His dreams grew quieter. One evening, Daniel went to a photography exhibition. The room was filled with beautiful images. He saw a photo that took his breath away. He looked at the artist's name. It was someone he knew, someone from his university, someone who had started at the same time as him. Daniel felt a terrible ache in his chest. He whispered to himself, that could have been me. Why did I not try? What is wrong with me? He went home that night and looked at his camera. It was covered in dust. He wanted to take a photo, but he put it down again. Daniel started comparing himself to everyone. He looked at old classmates. They had families, houses, and careers. He had nothing. He told his friend, I am just not talented enough. I do not have the confidence. Some people are born successful. I am not one of them. His friend said, Daniel, you are wrong. Lisa was not born successful. She just started before she felt ready. Daniel did not believe it. He thought, Lisa is special. I am not. That is the difference. One day, Daniel's boss asked for volunteers for a new project. Daniel wanted to raise his hand, but fear held him back. Lisa raised her hand. She got the project. She made mistakes, but she also learned. She grew. She became even more successful. Daniel watched and felt worse. He thought, if only I had raised my hand. If only I had been brave. That weekend, Daniel went to visit his grandmother. She was 90 years old. She lived in a small house full of memories. His grandmother showed him old photographs. She said, "I wanted to be a painter once, but I was too afraid. I never tried." Daniel looked at his grandmother. She was smiling, but her eyes held a deep sadness. She said, "Do not be like me, Daniel. Don't wait." On the way home, Daniel thought about his grandmother. He thought about the exhibition. He thought about Lisa. He thought about himself. He realized something. He had spent years waiting to be ready, waiting to be perfect, waiting for confidence to arrive. But confidence never came, because confidence does not come before action. It comes after. The next day, Daniel sat down and looked at his camera. He took a deep breath. He took a photo of the sunset from his window. It was not perfect, but it was a start. Then, Daniel went to a small gallery. He showed his photo to the owner. The owner said, "It is good. You have talent. Show me more photos." Daniel was shocked. He had expected rejection. He had expected failure. But he got a chance instead. He started taking photos every day. He shared them online. Some people liked them, some people did not. And for the first time, Daniel did not care about the criticism. He remembered what his friend had said. Lisa started before she felt ready. Now Daniel understood. Ready was never coming. So he stopped waiting. 1 year later, Daniel had his own exhibition. It was small, it was humble, but it was real. People came. They looked at his photos. They appreciated his work. Daniel stood in the corner of the room. He watched people looking at his photos. A quiet sense of satisfaction filled him, not because he was famous, but because he had finally taken the first step. Dreams rarely disappear overnight. They disappear quietly. One postponed decision, one missed opportunity, one comfortable moment of waiting for the perfect time, one excuse at a time. If you keep waiting for the perfect moment, one day, you will discover that the perfect moment has become a perfect memory. Successful people were not fearless. They simply acted before they felt ready. Confidence comes after action, not before. Start before you are ready. Start imperfectly. Just start.